Hi, welcome back to English 122 and welcome to Module 3, our second academic module, our first major big writing academic module. And so I'm going to introduce you to our very first essay. And our first essay, an expository argumentative essay, is about education, access and equity, or equity and access. How equal is education? What kind of access do many people have or do not have? What are some of the barriers or the boundaries that are put in place of obtaining a really good education? And so you are going to discover in this module a lot of information, and it's all crammed into a very brief period of time because this is summer school. So the first thing you'll discover is that there is, after this welcome module, I have the assignment posted for you, the essay assignment with broken into specific components that you have to follow. I've posted it as a PDF so you can download it and print it out if you wish, or save it to your laptop. And I've also put it on Canvas. In addition, I have a variety of readings that are New York Times and Washington Post links so that you can click on them and they will open up within Canvas and you can read them. I also have some readings that are separate PDF files. You are required to read all of those readings, and there are 11 of them. You also have to write 2 reading responses or reading summaries to 2 different sections of the readings. I will have very clear explanation as to how to write a summary and a reading response, and I also have specific prompts for each of the reading responses. Furthermore, I also have videos on how to freeze write, brainstorm, draft your essay, what a thesis statement is, what a thesis statement is not, how to write a thesis statement, how to outline your essay, and also how to start crafting your thesis statement and topic sentences that all clearly relate back to your thesis statement, what PI is, paragraph unity. We talked about that a little earlier in the second module, but I've got more examples and some definitions on how to use those. And finally, you're going to have an opportunity to submit your messy thesis statement and topic sentences to me online for feedback before you even really start writing your essay. And then you will do peer response with everybody. In addition to a peer response with your essay draft, you'll have an opportunity to do a discussion on all of the education readings with each other in a discussion format here. And you will have an opportunity to take a super low stakes reading quiz to help you refresh your memory on some of those readings. And again, I will be here on Zoom to help you. And I'm wearing a shirt I got in South Africa. It's a daishiki. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you.